So currently, this kind of data is often collected through two mechanisms. One is RF drive testing, the other being crowdsourcing. So how does SXM compare with those existing techniques? They're great. SXM, however, is real time and continuous. That's the key difference here. So with a drive test, you'll send out someone to do a drive test in reaction to something else that's happened. You've identified that your customers are changing their behavior, or perhaps you've identified some signal integrity issues. You'll go out and do a drive test. The SXM system is already there. It will react and tell you what's going on before your customers do. Let's talk about crowdsourcing. Crowdsourcing, also a very cool technology, but it's dependent upon the crowd. It can only tell you what the crowd is seeing. And as a result, it generally takes a while to aggregate a picture together into some kind of actionable intelligence. Generally, that's about 6 months, 12 months later. The SXM system will tell you the day that the infrastructure here changes. It'll tell you how the signal integrity has changed moment to moment, day to day, week to week, month to month, and how that has changed over time. It'll tell you, here in downtown Ottawa, we've got a lot of tourists walking past us right now. We'll see a lot of cellular activity right now at noon in Ottawa. That'll look very different than it will tonight. It'll look very different, certainly, than it will in the middle of winter here when, Ottawa's not quite so popular. So you can see those kinds of changes and how the infrastructure has adapted to and is servicing those different kinds of requirements.